Every year, the RCMP receives tens of thousands of images and videos from tech giants like Google and Meta of suspected child pornography. About 70% of these images are quickly dismissed because the AI tool that's used to identify child pornography mostly picks up people's regular personal pictures. But even though most of these images are deemed harmless by the RCMP, they still plan to keep them for 100 years.
Any picture that you take, or you go on vacation and you take pictures of your kids on the beach or in any position where there might be minors, can be reported automatically by cloud services throughout the world that are operating in Canada.
All of this has come to light through the ongoing case of a Montreal man who's accused of possession of child pornography. The man's lawyer argues that the data collection processes used to charge him are unconstitutional.
We ask the court to avoid abuses on a privacy point of view. Courts needs to put their nose in the equation in order to balance the situation and in order to avoid the state to collect, again, private stuff from people who has done nothing illegal.
Our privacy laws are decades out of date and unable to deal with the current reality of technology and technology in law enforcement. And so we have a pretty big open space in which law enforcement can essentially do what they please.
We reached out to the RCMP, but they did not respond to our request for comment.
I think it's a really strange sort of conflict of interest that government has where it's being asked to regulate itself. It's being asked to put guardrails on its own ability to invade the privacy of people. And I think government generally doesn't want to do that.
The man in this case will be back in court next week, and his lawyer says they're willing to take the case all the way to the Supreme Court.
This is CBC.
Hi. Thank you for watching The Bad Civil Servant on YouTube and North American House Hippo on Rumble. The only channels where you don't have to like and subscribe if you don't want to.